Are you ready for some questions?
Yeah, fire away.
Chloe Tan asks, what instrument can you play?
Well, it's not saxophone.
Jason I, Geketted, and that other than are all interested in how you stay fit.
998, 999, 1,000, 1,001, 1,002, 1,000. Okay.
Tani Test is looking for some advice. How do I run away from practicality and responsibility and allow creativity like you? Polinoto asks, how flexy are you?
Very flexible. Look. Ow!
And then Ian David Taylor is curious. Can you do a backflip?
Not right now.
Cephala 101 asks, what's it like to have a giant as an assistant?
He's not very helpful.
Hey, I'm right here.
Ah.
Janine Lavoie asks, what does it feel like watching him make multiples of you?
I don't mind.
I think that Bohab maggot might be flirting with you, but they ask, do you know how adorable you are?
Stop it.
Alsanova asks, where do you sleep? And Gabriel Della Rosa wants to know, can dreams tell the future?
I hope not.
Nicole H wants to know, what's your favourite video game?
Euro Truck Simulator 2.
But by far the most popular question was, just how tall are you?
I am a very respectable 30 centimeters. Okay, thank you. That's enough questions for now.